Minnesota Speedway. Pronounce. I can't believe I'm here. It'll be alright. Freedom Factory.
Okay.
Good old lukewarm Mountain Dew for Freedom Factory. My gum in my mouth. Here's to you, Cleet. Seeing it online is ridiculous. Coming here to the draft. Cheers.